What's up, guys? We're here at Home Depot. I'm picking up some lumber. I got a small side job I'm gonna do, so I'm gonna bring y'all with me and show y'all how I make that fruit money. Look. Everybody's a carpenter until the real carpenters show up. Found one of my brothers in Home Depot.
Yes, sir.
Larry Luck.
Listen,
Another master builder.
Swerve at his finest. That man's got knowledge you won't understand. I love you, bro.
Salute. We're here at the job I was telling y'all about to get suited and booted, so come with me while I get dressed. Most days, this is how I roll. Trusty belt. Can't make it happen without that. Thanks for joining me on this side job. We built a handicap ramp for one of my brothers. He moved into a new apartment and he needs a small ramp built. So I'm gonna bring y'all with me and show y'all the side work that I do. Here go the ramp that we built on the steps right here. We got 2 steps and we about to turn it into a ramp. Let's go. About to make a cut on some wood. Safety glasses is a must. Always have your safety glasses on. So here's my TED bed for y'all. Measure twice, cut once. These 2 pieces will be our side runners, and this piece is gonna be some tread. I'm building this like a deck, like you would build a normal deck, but it's indoors, it's not outdoors. So indoor, we have to use regular lumber. But if I was building this outdoors, I would have used treated lumber. All right, guys, as you can see, here's the 2 steps that we have to turn into a ramp for my brother so he can get in and out with his chair. About to make the cuts for our runners, but there's a little bit of math involved. The minimum for a handicap ramp is a 1:20 ratio. So that means for every 20 inches in length, it has to rise 1 inch. So that's what we're gonna do, a little bit of math. Let's go. We figured out our angles and our math. Now it's time to cut. And yes, that blade has seen better days. I know I need to change it. I'll do it after this job. We got our 20-to-1 risers installed. Now I'm gonna cut some 2x for the decking part of it. All right, I'm laying out 30-inch on center for the decking. And I always use my trusty speed square to get a straight line because I'm a professional carpenter. All my cuts be straight as a crooked arrow. tread going in. Get the finest ramp I ever built. Good measures gonna throw a nail in there just so it don't go nowhere. It wasn't hard getting on there, getting up the all right, I'm gonna adjust it then. I'm gonna I could put something to make a better slope.
Yeah, right.
Good. All right, this how we know we got proper slope. You know what we are? We on that fruit.
What's up, B?
What's up, bro? What's up,
Chilling on the ramp I just built, eating the orange. You wanna try it out, bro?
Yeah, I'm about to try.
All right. Ooh, this is that good character. Get out of the way.
Oh, that's it. I gotta figure out where I'm gonna put this other chair. Cause I was gonna leave it when I moved, but I was like, I had my son and my nephew like lift the